Are you ready? Let's talk money. Whether you believe it or not, money is important in the world that we live in. We need it for survival. We need it for food, for water, for shelter, which is why it can be hard to change our mindset on money if we were taught at a young age that money is scarce, that money is limited, but that we also need it for survival. Those are kind of counterintuitive thoughts. So we need to change the way we think about money. We need to change the way we interact with it, the way we receive it. We need to think of money as a tool, just a tool that is going to help us achieve what we want, get what we want, achieve our goals. And that money doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to be hard to make. It doesn't have to come from a state of hustling, grinding, working all the time. And I get that you may think that way. I definitely did in the past, and I still struggle with it almost every day. I was not raised in an entrepreneurial family. I was raised to work hard for your money, put in good work, and in return, you will get paid for your value. And I sometimes still catch myself dividing out my day of clients by an hourly wage, reminding myself that, oh yeah, if I calculate it this way, $100 an hour is a really good wage, which it is. But that is not the goal. I need to shake my head, and you do too, because the goal is not to make good money per hour. The goal is to make money while you sleep. So let's stop that by kicking the belief that making money is hard. Money is an unlimited resource and flows to me easily. Making money is fun. Say them with me. Those are two of my favorite money affirmations. So let's change your money mindset. I want you to start using these in your daily practice, to say them to yourself in front of a mirror, looking into your eyes, and really feel the feeling of whatever the affirmation is. Feeling how an affirmation feels for yourself is going to help it work so much better. Leon Brown said it all starts in the mind. So we need to believe that it's possible before it can become possible. Let's put all this woo shit aside for just 1 minute and think about it logically. So let's say you don't believe that you can charge $600 for your service. For whatever reason, your beliefs do not allow you to believe this. So in turn, because you don't believe it's possible, you're never going to put the action steps in place to make it possible. Therefore, it's not possible for you. But on the opposite side, if you believe that it is possible, that you can charge $600 for your service, that you are worth it, that you deserve it, that clients no problem are going to pay it, you are going to put the steps into play. You're going to put the steps into action to make that possible for you. Maybe it's going to be over a few price increases. Maybe it won't be right away, but you're going to put that into action, and therefore it is going to become possible for you, all because you believed it was possible in the first place. It's all about how you think about things, but we also have to remember that we have to put our thoughts and our beliefs into action for them to work, because the law of attraction does not work without the law of action. And I hustled. I filled my days with what now I look back at as busy work. I was trying to stay busy. I was trying to always be working so damn hard. Another side story, 2 years ago, if you would have come to me and told me this about money, I would have probably laughed and been like, haha, yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna work really hard. I'm gonna hustle, and I'm gonna get paid for my time and my energy. And that is true. That is one way to make money, but there is an easier way to make money, to get paid for your value, which is innate. But looking back now, a lot of it was just like useless, like I said, busy work, and I was just trying to feel like I was hustling. And when I did cut out all that busy work, my output stayed the same, but I wasn't working as hard. And I became less burnt out. The burnout went away, and I wish I would have listened to this concept sooner so I could have gotten here sooner. But I also think we all have our own journey that we must go through that helps us become who we need to be, and that was obviously part of my journey. So your homework for this lesson today is to do some research inward in yourself and figure out how you feel about money, how money makes you feel, what your money beliefs are. The key here is to be really, really real with yourself. I don't want you to lie and try and give the right answer. That's not going to help anyone because this exercise is just for you. You don't have to share this with anyone. So if you take the time to really be real with yourself and seriously answer those questions, then we can assess where you're at and move forward from there. You are going to, like I said, assess where you are at, and you are going to think, what type of person would feel this way about money? Would an abundant person feel this way about money, or would a scarcity mindset person feel this way about money? Someone who thinks that there's never enough. Find out where you're at with your money beliefs right now and what type of person you are currently resonating with, and the changes we can make to get you to be an abundant mindset person. That is where your affirmation worksheet is going to come in again. You can choose from that list any affirmations that are going to help you bust your current money beliefs that you don't want to continue having to get you to your new money beliefs. And you can also, like I said, create your own affirmations that are more personalized to really help you bust your own beliefs, limiting beliefs about money, to get you past those to become more abundant.